We have the great privilege of having a son and a daughter-in-law who are serving our country. Our son is in the United States Marine Corps, and she was.
Please calm down. Calm down.
That's pretty much a cabinet meeting at the White House. That's what happens. Excuse me.
Spicer disappeared into the shadows, huddling with his staff near a clump of bushes and then behind a tall hedge. He spent several minutes hidden in the bushes. I'm gonna go hide in the bushes so the reporters can't find me. Wait, what's that rustling sound? Oh, God!
For instance, people like Rod Rosenstein, who said, and I'm paraphrasing, what? No, sorry, fellas, no. Not me, you know. At one point, Rosenstein actually threatened to quit. It'll all be detailed in his tell-all book, Threatening Courage.
The rank and file of the FBI had lost confidence in their director.
All right, well, no, that's a good reason. If agents in the FBI don't respect the director of the FBI, then he can't be effective. I mean, it's the reason they had to kill Mufasa, you know? It's like, yo, man, these hyenas are laughing at you. You got to go!
And in the middle of all this, Trump met with Russian foreign minister yesterday, the Russian foreign minister, yeah. And the White House says Russia tricked them by posting photos of the meeting. They got suspicious when the photographer told Trump, okay, now do silly one where you hold up nuclear codes. That's the nuclear, perfect. Show me springtime, show me springtime.
In a newly released interview, President Trump said that he might release his tax returns after he leaves the White House. So keep your eyes peeled, because he leaves the White House a lot.